A lawyer walking to his office passed a pet store with a beautiful parrot in a huge cage out front.
Hello, Polly.
Hey, Mac, you're funny looking.
Well, this is a fine how do you do.
The man was annoyed but continued on his way. On the way home, he passed by the bird again.
Hey, Mac, you got a big nose. You got a big nose.
What a charming bird.
The man was irate but kept walking. The next day, he passed by the bird again. The parrot said,
Hey, Mac, you're ugly.
That's it.
This time the man was livid. He stormed into the store. May I help you, sir?
Yes, that parrot, it's harassing me. If you don't get it to stop, I will sue this store into bankruptcy, buy the parrot, have it put to sleep. Is that clear?
Oh, I'm so sorry. It'll never happen again, sir. I'll have a talk with the bird.
See that you do.
The next day, the lawyer walked past the store and the parrot said,
Hey, Mac, you are,
I'm what?
you're,
What am I?
you're, well, you know.